We guide you through how to send an international transfer with Wise. So first, open the Wise app or sign in to your Wise account on the website. Tap Send, then enter the amount you want to transfer and choose the currencies you're sending from and to. Add your recipient by selecting an existing contact or entering their full name and bank details if it's your first time sending to them. Review the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the estimated delivery time before continuing. If everything looks correct, choose your preferred payment method such as bank transfer, debit card, or another available options in your country. Follow the instructions to complete the payment, then submit your transfer. Wise will process your payment and notify you as your money moves through each stage until it reaches the recipient. You can track the transfer status at any time from your activity page, making it easy to know exactly when your money has been delivered.